Here we have another beautiful example of the famous Copal Model 227 flip alarm clock, and as you can see it is running. That means you can hardly see the cylinder spinning because it is running. It is working like a charm. It is in absolutely stunning condition. It is in a very beautiful not red but dark orange. Let me just turn it around a little bit. You can see the rest of the clock. There we go. I replaced the cable with a brand new transparent one, giving a whole fresh look to the clock. There we go. Just quickly demonstrate the alarm. Let's just turn it on. Set to 11. It's a bit early, but that's what you get with these old clocks. You can hardly ever set them exactly to the time that you want. Let's turn that off. Let's just watch it flip over. Have to be patient a little bit. Yes, perfect. It's silent as you would expect from a Copal clock. Let's just have a quick look at the bottom. Model 227, 24 hours, 220 volts, 50 Hertz, 5-watt lamp. Beautiful.